everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is well and had a fabulous Christmas. I'm sorry that there's not a craft video tonight. I started to put together one of the miniature kits and I seriously underestimated the amount of time it would take to do. I've spent 2 days on it already and I probably need to spend another 2 days on it, so it should be ready for Wednesday. But I do have the giveaway results for the Christmas decorations that I made in my last video. So there's 2 sets of 4. There's a lighter green and a darker green, and the person whose number is generated first will get the choice whether they want the lighter ones or the darker ones, and then the second person will get the second set. I've written everybody's name down. There was 41 people who entered, so I've given everybody a number, and these numbers are in the order that everybody commented. So I'm going to do a number generator on my tablet, so I need to type in 1 to 41. So good luck, everybody, and I will comment on the winner's comments and give you my email address so you can send me your postal address and I can send them to you. So the first winner is number 27, and 27 is Michelle Clark. So well done, Michelle. You get to pick which set you would like. Like I said, I will comment on your original comment and give you my email address, and then you can send your postal address through that. And then the second winner is number 35, and number 35 is Barbara Daniel. So Barbara, again, I will comment on your original comment, giving you my email address, and then you can send your postal address and I can pop them in the post for you. So I'm sorry, everybody, if you didn't win. I will be doing another giveaway at some point soon, and yeah, I will be back on Wednesday with my next video. So till then, take care, everyone, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye for now.